Okay, really good bread only needs four things: flour, water, yeast, and salt. That's it. You can add nuts, you can add oil, you can add sugar, but really flour, yeast, water, and salt makes a fantastic bread. You don't have to have a Dutch oven. You could use anything, but since I love cooking in the Dutch oven, that's what I thought I'd show you today. This just barely came out of the oven, and take a look at this beautiful loaf. That's actually half the recipe I'm about to tell you, and look how beautiful that turned out with a golden crust and a soft, moist crumb inside. So all it takes is 4 cups of flour, a cup and a half of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, and then I don't even use an entire packet of yeast. If you buy those individual packets, I dump in about 1/3. If you have yeast in a jar, add maybe a half a teaspoon. The trick is the duration of the rise. Just let it rise for a long time. You can even put the dough in the fridge and cut off a piece when you need it. But this is half the recipe, makes a beautiful loaf of bread. Just cook it at 450 degrees for about 25 minutes.
25 minutes, starting now.
Give or take a little depending on the size of the loaf that you're baking. One trick I'll tell you that I've learned in cooking bread over the years is I put the Dutch oven, especially the bottom part of it, I put that in the oven first and get it hot. Then I put the dough in the hot oven, cover it with a lid, and you put it in the oven and it's already starting to work its miracles. What a great thing. Just thought I'd share that with you. Oh, hey, this is Trav. So I thought I'd just make a short video on baking bread. With all of this coronavirus scare going on, I want to just show you how simple it is.